I decided to join the culinary program because I love to cook and I love to feed people, because that's something you have to do no matter what. You always got to eat. You always have to have something in your stomach to give you energy to go on, and I feel like that was just kind of my calling. In culinary, we learn like the foundations of how to do stuff properly, especially because it all has a order it has to go through, processes and steps you got to get done. And I feel like knowing the fact that basically everything has an order to it, a process to it, gives you a better outlook on life and how to deal with stuff. Because you can always look at it and be like, okay, I need to get this done, then this done, then this done, and you can visualize it a little bit better. And I feel like that's one of the big things I've learned. I would tell them that if you want to do it, I would 100% recommend you do it. You get to learn new skills, you get to learn how to use the knives properly, your cutting techniques, you get to eat the food afterwards, and Miss Chef Davis and Miss Madison, they'll teach you how to cook wonderful food. It's delicious. But I would also say that you get to meet a lot of really nice people too throughout it, because a lot of people here are just trying to better themselves at cooking and end up getting a whole different outlook on it by the end of it. And it's really worth it going through it, not even just all 4 years, just even if you do it for a year and you decide you don't want to do it. I feel like it's still a good thing to at least give it a try if you want to. You can choose to soar anywhere in the CTE program at DeSoto ISD. I chose to soar with the culinary program.